Welcome to this video on uploading files to SharePoint 2013. If you have a number of files to upload, it's too time-consuming to add them one at a time. One way to add several files into a library is by using Windows Explorer. On Inside NCDOT, this Shared Documents library is used in our SharePoint Contributor training class. Click the Files tab, Upload Document, and upload files using Windows Explorer instead. The SharePoint library opens in an Explorer view. On your computer, navigate to the files to upload. Let's use the second and fourth files. Click the second file, press the Control key, and click the fourth file to select non-contiguous files. Copy and paste the files into the Explorer view of the SharePoint library. Now, let's try to copy a file with the same name as an existing file. And let's use Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V this time to copy and paste. You'll see an option to replace the existing file. But because the file is a replacement, it will be version 1.0 and no properties from the replaced file are transferred to the new version 1.0. So if you want to preserve versioning, you must use the process for uploading a single file. Let's cancel this upload of a duplicate file and continue. Here are the two files we just uploaded. In the Explorer view, you will not see the green star for a new file or the green arrow for checked out. Let's return to our SharePoint library and cancel out of the Add a Document dialog. Refresh the library and scroll to the bottom to see the two new files with the icons for new and checked out. Let's use Quick Edit to update the properties for both files at the same time. On the Library tab, click Quick Edit. Scroll to the bottom of the library again and add these properties for the first file. For the second file, let's add a title, use the autofill handle to copy the last three properties of the first file, then change the document type. We've finished the file properties. Click Stop editing this list. We still need to check the files in. Select both files, click the Files tab, check in, and OK. This is a common configuration at NCDOT: check in, check out, major versioning, and required properties. If the libraries you use don't have these features, you won't have to take as many steps to upload documents. In this video, we've reviewed ways to upload files to SharePoint and given you some hints to deal with duplicate files and error messages. We encourage you to view our other SharePoint videos as well as the reference and training materials on the SharePoint Help site. For information on upcoming SharePoint classes, log into Beacon and check the LMS training calendar, or contact the PC Training Group. Thanks for watching.